Hi guys, my name is Chris from Divine Media, and today I'll be showing you how to smoothen skin in Photoshop. Now we have different ways of doing that. We have different kinds of frequency separation, but I'm going to teach you the smartest and simplest ways of achieving skin smoothing in Photoshop using frequency separation. So I downloaded this image from unsplash.com. Link is in the description below in case you want to practice with the image. So the first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this image. I'm going to press Ctrl J on my keyboard and I want to convert it to a smart object. And then I'm still going to duplicate it again one more time. Now I'm going to rename this layer to color and rename this to what? Texture. Good. Now I'm going to go to color. I'm going to turn off this texture for now. I'm going to go to filter, go to blur and click on Gaussian Blur, and I'm going to zoom in. Now I'm going to select a Gaussian blur that hides the skin texture and hides everything. So I think 42.9 did it for me. This value might be different from your own image. That is, if you don't use this image I'm using. I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to turn on texture, my texture layer. I'm going to go to that layer, still going to go to filter, go to order and high pass, and then I'm also going to click a radius that best reveals the skin texture. So you have to be very careful with this. You don't want to overdo it. So for me, I think it's 2.2. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go to the blending mode and change it from normal to linear light. So I'm going to group the two layers, put my color and my texture layers. I'm going to press Ctrl G on the keyboard. I'm going to group them. And I'm going to create a mask. Click on this mask button. And I'm going to invert this because I want to hide this thing. Now, as you can see, the skin smoothing has been applied to every part of the picture. You don't want that, right? So what do? I'm going to invert this to hide it out. Now, the principle of masking entails that black hides while white reveals. So I'm going to click on my brush. I'm using my soft brush and I'm going to zoom in on the picture and increase my brush size. I'm going to set this to 80 and I'm going to brush over the skin softly. I'm going to softly brush over the skin. Now be careful. So I'm gonna go to the nose. Okay, gonna go to the eyes. Now go to the jaw region. you have to be very careful not to overdo it. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of the brush, because here is a very delicate area. You don't want to mess this place up. Be careful not to clean the lines. So you don't want to go from real to unreal. These are the mistakes most photographers make. They tend to overdo everything, and at the end of the day, getting a robot kind of image, something that doesn't look real. So, go back, and if you can see, we've pretty done a good job here. Done a pretty good job here. So I'm going to click on my before and after. So this is my before and this is my after. Great. You can see the magic. It's simple and it's very, very precise. Before, after, before and after. If you enjoyed this tutorial, just click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications in case I post new content, and subscribe to Divine Media. Please like this video also. It's going to help us grow. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.